they are busy developing right now called personal voice. It will allow you and your phone to replicate your voice after only 15 minutes of reading prompts and training. So this thing will mimic your own voice.
And what will you do with this new update? How will you use it?
Well, the intentions are always good, but they're always abused. So the intention, it's meant to make the devices more inclusive for people with disabilities, like people with conditions.
We got no water flowing in. Yes.
Continue being able to speak and type in something you can actually converse. But as we know, that would be perhaps 1% of the population. The other 99% will use this for other reasons.
Like what? Like trafficking?
Like pretending, yeah, I see what you mean, but
Other
hacking into
dubious
you, pretending to be you.
and then saying stuff under your name.
Yeah, but it's all getting very weird. Because a lot of these social media sites, you know, like if somebody dies, then they kind of memorialize the page. It becomes a memory page, a tribute page. Now they're trying to immortalize these pages where when somebody dies, AI kicks in and it tweets for you. It's living this life
That's
for
a bit
you.
strange.
Yeah, and it's trained with all your other tweets and your thoughts and what your take on something would be, and it just, I mean, what's the point?
Yeah, your ghost,
Yes. Yeah.
No, guys, I want to arrest you.